So, hello everyone. We have with us Dr. Akash. He just cleared his AMC 1 exam today. So, congratulations, Doctor.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
So, tell us about your journey so far. How did you decide about taking this path for AMC and with academically? How did it go?
So actually, it was my brother who wanted me to come to Australia because he's in Australia right now. So he wanted me to come there so bad, and he was the one who told me about academically. And yeah, I took the subscription last I think last October, and I used it I prepared for I think 5 months, and yeah.
Okay. So you said 5 months, Doctor. So how was your preparation schedule during this 5 months? Did you go through the PPTs and mocks and what kind of, how did the time division basically happen at your end?
So basically, I started with the Blue Book, and before taking academically. So I started with the Blue Book, and then once I subscribed to academically, I went through their lectures, and once I finish the lecture, I do the mocks, and I take notes from those mocks and as well as the lectures.
Okay. And how did did you attend the recall sessions? Are the recalls very much important? How much attention should one pay to them?
To be honest, recalls are actually pretty important. Especially when you're a month away from your exam. So I would suggest at least go through at least 3 months of recalls. Not just find answers from it, but actually go in deep through that topic and actually master that topic actually.
Okay, grabbing the concept, you
Yes.
basically say, we know because the questions are never repeated in
Yeah.
AMC. Okay. So Doctor, time management is a very important aspect of the exam. So what would be your advice to somebody with regard to prepare?
Actually, when I gave my exam, actually I managed my time so bad, to be honest. So anybody giving the exam, I would strongly advise them to if they don't know any question, just move on, just move ahead. You just give 1 minute or 1 minute and a half at max for a question and just move ahead. Yeah.
Okay. And when it comes to the lectures, were you attending the live lectures, the recorded lectures? How did you divide it?
So mostly I attended it live because I procrastinate things, so I didn't wanna do the recorded ones. So yeah, I went for the live ones.
You went for the live ones. Okay. So what next, Doctor? Are you preparing for your MC2 exam, or would you be more interested in, exploring job opportunities?
To be honest, I think I'll be chilling for a week or so, and then I'll start applying for jobs probably, and as well as preparing for AMC2. I'm doing my internship right now, so probably I'll try to make